Today we're diving into the Blue Oval's greatest hits, counting down the top 10 fastest Ford muscle cars of all time. Whether you're a die-hard Ford fan or just love speed, this list is going to blow you away. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get revving. Starting off our list at number 10 is the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Known as the Boss 9, this car was built to homologate Ford's NASCAR engine, featuring a massive 429 cubic inch V8 under the hood. With 375 horsepower on tap, the Boss 429 was a street-legal race car. Its unique engine bay modifications and aggressive styling made it an instant classic and a highly sought-after collector's item today. Next up, at number 9, is the 1971 Ford Torino Cobra Jet. This car was Ford's answer to the muscle car wars of the early 70s, featuring a 429 cubic inch V8 with ram air induction. With 370 horsepower and a track-tuned suspension, the Torino Cobra Jet could hit 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds. Its bold looks and potent performance made it a standout in Ford's lineup. Number 8 on our list is a bit of a surprise, the 1984 Ford Mustang SVO. This car was all about blending European handling with American muscle, featuring a turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4 engine. Producing 175 horsepower, the Mustang SVO wasn't the most powerful on our list, but its lightweight design and advanced suspension made it a blast to drive. It was a unique entry in the Mustang lineage, aimed at enthusiasts looking for a more refined performance experience. Sliding into number 7 is the 1968 Ford Mustang GT 390, made famous by Steve McQueen in the classic movie Bullitt. This car featured a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 325 horsepower. The GT 390 wasn't just about good looks, it had the performance to match. With a top speed of over 120 miles per hour, it was one of the fastest Mustangs of its era, solidifying its place in muscle car history. At number 6, we have the legendary 1966 Shelby GT 350. Carroll Shelby took the already iconic Mustang and transformed it into a track-ready machine with a 289 cubic inch V8 producing 306 horsepower. The GT 350 was more than just a fast car, it was a performance icon. Its combination of power, handling, and aggressive styling made it a favorite among car enthusiasts and racers alike. Kicking off our top 5, we have the 1967 Shelby GT 500. Under the hood, it packed a 428 cubic inch Police Interceptor V8 engine, producing 355 horsepower. The GT 500 was a game-changer, combining power, style, and exclusivity. Its performance and iconic status have made it one of the most beloved Mustangs ever produced. Next up at number 4 is the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500, the modern-day muscle car king. It features a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that pumps out an astonishing 760 horsepower. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.3 seconds, The GT500 is not only the most powerful Mustang ever but also one of the fastest. Its advanced aerodynamics, suspension, and braking systems make it a track-ready beast straight from the factory. Taking the number 3 spot is the 2005 Ford GT. While not a traditional muscle car, this supercar pays homage to Ford's legendary GT40 with a modern twist, featuring a 5.4-liter supercharged V8 producing 550 horsepower. The Ford GT combines breathtaking speed with impeccable handling. It can reach a top speed of 205 miles per hour and do 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest Fords ever built. At number 2, we have the 2007 Ford Shelby GT50. This modern muscle car was a collaboration between Ford and Shelby, featuring a supercharged 5.4-liter V8 engine with 500 horsepower. The 2007 GT500 could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, making it a formidable competitor in the muscle car revival of the mid-2000s. Its blend of classic styling cues and modern performance made it an instant classic. And finally, our number 1 fastest Ford muscle car of all time, the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. This car was designed to compete in the Trans Am Racing Series, featuring a 302 cubic inch V8 engine that produced 290 horsepower. The Boss 302 was all about balance, combining power with exceptional handling. Its high-revving engine, lightweight construction, and aggressive styling made it a true icon in the world of muscle cars. Which one of these incredible Ford muscle cars is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car content. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep it fast, keep it loud, and keep it Ford. See you next time.